Bella feels the sting of laughter from her stylish classmates. Bella sits alone on the floor, feeling lost. A friendly tabby cat smiles at Bella. Nervously, Bella picks up a paintbrush in the colorful art room. Beside her beautiful painting, Bella feels proud as her classmates admire her work. Walking with a big smile, Bella proudly carries her art supplies. At the art showcase, Bella beams with pride as everyone cheers for her. When the bullies confront her, Bella stands tall and speaks up. At lunch, Bella laughs and enjoys the warmth of new friendships. Bella kneels to comfort a scared kitten, showing her growth and kindness.